Wow. I'm sweating. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, and all the chairmen of other groups, the guest of honor. We are so humbled to be in this place. I don't have much to say. All I can say is that let us be committed, like we've been told by our leaders. Commitment is a very important factor in any movement that will succeed. The fact and the truth is, MK is a selling brand. We have to sell him carefully with a lot of discipline. I myself, I pledge to pray for this team. I've been in this team for quite long, but my role is to pray. My role is to pray, and I want also to pledge that Chairman knows that my allegiance is with the MK, with the father, our founding father of the revolutions, and all that I have achieved is because of good governance. Even when I met Hussein, the president, I told him that there's nothing much that I want. All I want is to bring you back. Always come back until when God finds us another leader. And if you remember, the DG quoted of the January 14th, when people were promising us another Uganda, whereas we are comfortable with this one, I stood on my feet and I fought to the last day. I'm not ashamed of supporting His Excellency. Though I don't have a card, I'm not a politician, but as a pastor, I serve God and my country. And I cannot serve God in a country that is disorganized. Not at all. So even on this journey, we shall go up to the last destination, and I pledge to also use what I have. And what I have apparently is the congregation that is loyal to God and to this nation. I always preach about the goodness of the government in power. So I will serve God and I will serve my nation, and I pledge to this team that wherever you go, Salt Media will go with you. Salt Media will go with you with the little resources that we have. I'm actually planning to buy a new car assigned just for the chairman. I assign a team that is working for Salt, but staff of team chairman. And we have done that with the cars that we have. So when that car goes, then we have some shortage, but we are going to sort out that one very soon. I'm so humbled, and with those few words, Mr. Chairman, I want to tell you from a spiritual perspective, you are anointed to mobilize. You are anointed to mobilize, and I pray that God gives you more anointing and the overflow to other chairmen so that mobilization goes smoothly to the success. I don't know whether my wife wanted to say something, but please say something.
Thank you so much for the invite. We are so humbled. Thank you, Team Chairman. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Secretary, Madam Secretary Jackie, because we've been working together. We are so grateful, and we thank God that we have a youthful leader that is coming, that is visionary, who will lead this country, not to, I won't say, to a destiny that a person selfishly wants us to go, but where God wants us to be. He will lead us to that destination. God bless you.
We are giving a present, a gift to our pastor and his senior wife from Team Chairman. It's something to appreciate your contribution, your love, your prayers. It's an appreciation award. House of Prayer Ministries International.
We're presenting this award to House of Prayers Ministries International for the immense contribution towards General Muhoozi birthday celebration held on the 23rd of April 2022. Thank you for your commitment and your generous contribution towards Team Chairman MK. May God bless you.
Chairman.
You've heard from the pastor, we are anointed. So we can't go wrong.